where are you going?
On fly coach.
I hope it rains.
Hey, Johnny.
Wow. Does that amaze anyone else? How did you know it was me? I didn't say anything.
Well, to be honest, you kind of smell like ash. Let's see you upstairs. Bye, Johnny.
So, seems like you and Alicia are doing well. Annoyingly so.
Yeah, lucky guy.
Yeah, you are. Question for you though. Did you guys
That's none of your business.
Okay, all right. I'm just concerned. You could wake up one morning and find out she was killed in a rock slide.
I'll show you a rock slide.
Young girl on one leg back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Bentley sweat fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third.